Okay, so talking about punching from the 5 punches of Yang style, the straight punch, one of the variations can be from the posture, shoot tiger with bow. The characteristic being that you shift, turn, tilt your head and strike simultaneously. So the idea is that I'm slipping the punch at the same time as delivering power. So a simple way to look at it, the way I like to apply it, is against the jab cross. So if you just look at a jab cross nice and slow, and I slip in, okay? I'm slipping the cross, turning, organizing my body correctly in accordance with the mandates of form. And as I do that, I'm simultaneously punching out. I am not slipping, then punching. Rather, it's a simultaneous evade and attack movement, striking the chin or the side of the neck, whatever. You can also do it on the body. I prefer the head. Okay, so back out again. Just going to play more live. Like so, okay? Again. Like so, okay? Now, of course, I don't want to hurt my good friend here. So when he's nice and comfortable, he's got his hand in the way, I'm shifting, and you activate feet, dantian, and so on, so that you're releasing some jin into the strike. Okay? So that's it. It is you slip and counter strike with shoot tiger with bow.